solving equations in one variable, which you have done before. These are all rational equations, so they're in fraction forms, okay, which we did at the end of last year. So this is a review. All right, so step one, you are going to factor everywhere. Step two, you're going to find extraneous solutions. Step three, you're going to clear the fraction Step 4, you're going to solve. And step 5, eliminate extraneous solutions. All right, so we're going to start off super easy. Super easy. Example number 1. Let's say we have x minus 2 over x plus 3 plus x plus 5 over x plus 3 equals 1 over x plus 3. No, sir. Step 1 says factor everywhere, where it's all factored already. We don't have to do that. Step 2 is we have to state any extraneous solutions. So we say x cannot equal. What makes the denominator 0 in this problem? Negative 3. So we cannot have an answer, a negative 3. Step 3 says to clear the fraction. Well, what's my common denominator? Which is going to cancel in all of them, right? So we're going to have x minus 2 plus x plus 5 equals 1. Then it says solve, once we've gotten rid of the fraction. So I'm going to combine like terms. 2x plus 3 equals 1. X plus x. Subtract 3 to the other side, I get 2x equals negative 2. And we divide both sides by 2, we get x equals negative 1. Then you have to check and see, is this one of your extraneous solutions? Then you're good to go. That's it. This is, well, they're all going to be the same, so 2 through 18. No, we're doing odd. No, we're doing even. So 2 through 18 to begin with. Okay, I do want to do one though that it isn't all a common denominator, right? I mean, so let's do example number 2. Let's go with 3x over x plus 5 plus 1 over x minus 2 equals 7 over x squared plus 3x minus 10. All right, step 1 says to factor everywhere. There's only one spot we have to factor. That's down here. All right, so I'm going to draw my x. Negative 10 on top, 3 on the bottom would be 5 and negative 2. So my factors here are x plus 5 and x minus 2. Everybody's clear with that? Okay, good. All right, now we got to state our extraneous solutions. X cannot equal. What number in the first one? Good. And what number in the second one? Positive 2. Are there any additional ones over here? Okay, so now, it's the same factors. Yep. All right, now we clear the fraction. So technically our common denominator is both of those factors together, right? So in the first one I have 3x, and I'm going to multiply it by the factor that's missing, which is what? X minus 2. Plus 1. I'm going to multiply this one by the factor that is missing, which is x plus 5. And over here I have 7, and it's got both factors. So they've canceled. So now we just distribute, collect like terms, and solve. So here we have 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6. Here I have plus x plus 5 equals 7. Oh yeah, x, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, so then I have 3x squared. Adding my negative 6x and x together, I get negative 5x. And we're going to move our 7 to this side, so we get negative 2 equals 0. Okay, because it's a quadratic, we got to get it set equal to 0, right? Now, we can either factor it, which we've got to do the x in the box, or we can do the quadratic formula. What do you guys want to do? Okay, let's factor. All right, so we have negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Bottom is negative 5. My sides then would be negative 6 and 1. In my box, the first term goes in the first spot. The last term goes in the last spot. My diagonal are the sides of my x, negative 6x and 1x. Out of the top line, I can take out a 3 and an x. Out of the bottom line, I can only take out a 1. Up and down, I can only take out an x. And up and down here, I can take out negative 2. So my factors are 3x plus 1 and x minus 2. What do I do with those factors? Not yet. I don't have solutions yet. So I have to set each one of those equal to 0, right? 3x plus 1 equals 0, and x minus 2 equals 0. I get x equals negative 1/3, and I get x equals 2. Are either of those extraneous? So we got to cross out the 2. We can't use him. Correct. You guys remember doing this at the end of last year? Good deal. All right, so we're good so far? Do we need another one? No? Okay. There's a little bit more, just a minute. Okay, example number 3. Example 3 is going to be your 20 and 22. And it says, using the graph, determine which, if any, is extraneous solution. All right, so I'm going to first give you a graph. And in this graph, let's say I do this and this. All right, and I tell you that x equals negative 3 and x equals 2. Which one of those is a solution and which one must be extraneous? 2 is extraneous. Because why, Madison? Yeah, it doesn't cross the x-axis, right? So how can x equal it? That's it. So this one is out of here. This is the only answer we have. All right, and example number 4 to finish this up. And this will take your 24 through 32. Let's say we have 2 over x minus 1 plus x equals 5. So it's already factored everywhere in this case. We got to take what's in the denominator, which is x minus 1. So our extraneous solution would be x cannot equal 1, right? All right. So we're going to clear the fraction with x minus 1. Here, it already has an x minus 1, so I have 2 plus x times the factor of x minus 1 equals 5 times the factor of x minus 1, because I don't have a denominator there, right? Is everybody okay with that? All right, so I have 2 plus x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative 1x equals 5x minus 5. Now we're going to move it all to one side and collect like terms together. So I have x squared. If I subtract 5x to this side, I get minus 6x. If I subtract 5 to add 5 to this side, I'm going to get plus 7 equals 0. I didn't mean to do that. All right, anyway, this does not factor. There are not two numbers of positive 7 that are going to add to negative 6. So how else can we solve it? Quadratic. All right, so we have negative b plus n minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So I have 6 plus and minus. 36 minus 28 is 8, which is 2 root 2, all over 2. What do you see will reduce here? 2, 2, and a 2. So my final answers. This is equal to the square root of 8. 8 breaks down into 2 and 4. 4 is 2 and 2. So I took a group of 2's out. That's why it's out here, with 1 left at home. So I have 3 plus and minus root 2. Are either of those our extraneous solution? So we can have both answers here. Okay? Any questions?